Hello, dear guest teachers, boys and girls.
We are glad to see all of you here.
It's time to welcome Christmas and Santa Claus, isn't it?
I'm afraid it's impossible so far. We can miss Christmas this year.
Why? What has happened?
They say Santa Claus has been lost in the wars on the way here.
Oh no.
Wait, we have good news too. American children have already come. Let's invite them on the stage. Welcome, Country Dance!
I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from? Cotton Eye Joe. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from? Cotton Eye Joe. That man forgot not Joe. I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from? Cotton Eye Joe. That man forgot not Joe. I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from? Cotton Eye Joe.
Like dancing myself.
Stop it! And what is next? I'm so worried.
Calm down. We have people who can make everyone confident. Here are Karate Girls. Welcome!
what are we going to do next?
Don't worry, don't forget we are Bashkirts and famous for our hospitality and talented people. Can't we entertain our guests?
Great of you, let's invite our dancers.
Greet Bashkirtas!
Now I see Bashkortostan is really reaching talented people. However, I'm still missing Christmas. Only miracles can help us.
You know, a great idea has come to me. Kids will help us. Kids are always miracles themselves. Kids are on the stage.
No one knows story about the wolf and 7 pigs. Now the play begins. Buttercup has a jar for a milk cat in her hand. She wants to go to the market. All kids around her.
Now, my dear children, I must go to the market and get some milk for you. You must sit still. You must not let anybody in. Lock the door and goodbye.
Goodbye, goodbye, come back soon. Look, there is the big bad wolf. He is at the door. He wants to eat the kids.
You two take the pens and big spoons and stand behind the armchair.
Do you hear? That is the wolf again.
We are not afraid of you, big bad wolf. Oh, what's the matter? What does all this mean? Everything's all right, Mother.
They will planning to eat us up, but it is not so easy to eat us up.
Mother, I am hurt.
And so am I.
Oh, my dear brave children, it's very good that you are not afraid of the wolf. There are many wolves in the woods, but if we fight all together, we shall win.
Didn't expect that kind of kids. Everything is going worse and worse.
But I think we're on the right track. It's good to become sometimes a little bit crazy. Here is a crazy story for you.
Are you sure?
Absolutely. A crazy story.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to tell the story of Little Red Riding Hood. Once upon a time, there was a girl who...
Help, please, somebody help!
Who are you? What are you doing here?
I'm a Snow White. My stepmother wants to get rid of me. Then I
Wait, little girl. Don't you see that I'm a narrator and I'm telling the story of Little Red Riding Hood? Look at those people. Oh my, I'm ruined. I'm going to get fired.
Please forgive me. I'm a nice girl, but my stepmother doesn't love me. My father is king.
Listen, we feel sorry for you, but you came to the wrong story.
Oh, really?
Yes, do you see that little house?
Yes.
Go and so you can escape from your stepmother. I'm sure they will help you.
Who's downstairs making all this noise? It's Snow White. Please sit it, Ross. But you know, Ross, who are you?
We are three little
pigs.
We're hiding from the wolf.
Come in and don't worry. We are protected from your stepmother.
Hey, wait, don't you see that it's not your time to appear on the scene? Leave and wait for your turn. Okay, where was I? Little Red Riding Hood was a very nice girl. What do you want? Who are you?
I'm Spider-Man, protector of the weak and unfortunate. I'm sure that someone here needs me.
We don't need you. Not right now. Can you leave because I'm working? How I was telling you, Little Red Riding Hood was a very nice girl. She was going to take some bread and hand it to her grandmother living in the woods. But suddenly the wolf appeared.
Oh, what a pretty girl. Who are you?
I'm a little Red Riding Hood, but my little color is pink. Who are you?
I'm the wolf, but I'm not a bad wolf.
Fuck her right now, pussy.
Please, can you put crystal shoe? Yes, I'm looking for Cinderella. We were dancing, but suddenly she left when I lost the shoe.
I hear that it's something.
Rabbit, everybody quiet. I'm trying to tell the story of this girl.
That's true.
And I don't know what are you doing here. But I don't care anymore. So, since you won't let me tell the truth story, I will make up my own story.
See what you all did. I was the main character of the story.
Well, not anymore.
Prince Charming from Cinderella's story saw how beautiful Snow White was and threw away the shoe and decided to marry her. They had very big celebration. They invited 3 little pigs, the wolf, and Little Red Riding Hood.
And me.
And they lived happily ever after. It's enough for me. I want something nice and beautiful.
Come on, never give up. And I think, no problem. What about poetry?
It would be wonderful. Let's invite them.
Hooray, hooray, it's New Year's Day, the day we're starting new. So this year I've decided to become a kangaroo. Or maybe I will learn to fly, or how walk through walls, or how to turn invincible, or surf on waterfalls. I'll make myself elastic and I'll teach myself to shrink. I'll turn into a liquid and I'll pour me down the sea. I'll visit other planets and meet aliens galore. I travel to the distant past and try to dinosaur. I have so many wonderful plans and start them right away. Yes, this will be the best year yet. Hooray, it's New Year's Day.
A year to be glad in, not to be saddened, to gain into giving a happy new year, a new year for trying and never for sighing, a new year to living our hope most dear.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year! The day is so clear, the snow is so white, the sky is so bright, we shout with all our might. A happy New Year! A year to be glad in, and not to be saddened, to gain, to give. A happy New Year!
I feel so peace and calm now, as if I'm in the wood. Everything is so quiet.
No problem. Welcome to the wood. Why rabbits have got short tails? Once there lived a rabbit. His name was Bunny. He was gray and small, but he had no tail, and he wanted to have a long tail like a Mrs. Fox.
Hello, Mrs. Fox. Where are you going?
I'm going to the shop.
What are you going to buy there?
I'm going to buy this.
But what was it there? It's a beautiful tail. Oh, please, Mrs. Fox, buy a tail for me too. Look at me. I haven't got a tail.
Okay, I'll buy the thing for you.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, give me the this. Hurry up, I haven't got much time.
Of course, here you are. Take it, please. $10. Anything else?
It's
That's why rabbits have got short tails.
Such a meaningful play it is, isn't it? For at least they managed to solve their problems.
Come on, never give up. Cheer up and enjoy a New Year song.
I don't mind it at all.
Happy New Year song.
Now was a day, and the fireworks are true. Here we are, me and you, feeling lost and feeling blue. The end of the party, and the morning seems so gray, so alive. Yesterday, lost the time for us to say. Happy New Year, may we all have a vision now and then. Hope the world for every neighbor is a friend. Happy New Year, may we all have a hopes and will to try. If you don't, we might as well lay down and die. You and I. Sometimes I see how the brave new world divides, and I see how it dies in days of our lives. Days of love, and we can still be okay, dragging on. Feet of day, never knowing he's a day, keeps on going anyway. Happy New Year, Happy New Year, may we all have a vision now and then. Of the world for every neighbor is a friend. Happy New Year, Happy New Year, may we all have a hopes and will to try. If we don't, we might as well lay down and die. You and I.
It feels New Year is coming indeed. What about Christmas and Santa Claus? Where is he?
Please don't panic. So many people from different countries are waiting for him. He can't let them down.
Where are they? Let's invite them on the stage.
Piccolina on the stage. Everything's under control. Rescue service has been looking for him. They will find him for sure.
They are too slow. We should do something ourselves. What if we start singing louder all together a Christmas song?
What a wonderful idea. It will work for sure. Santa will hear us and find the way. Jingle bells rock.
Sing with us.
Have fun with us. Let's call Santa. Santa, 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 Santa. So glad to see you. So glad you've come.
I've traveled a long way from North Pole to here, and I have to say, Bogotá is a really beautiful place.
How was your trip?
I'm pretty tired. I got lost when I was finally out my way, but now I'm happy I'm here.
Please
Have a rest. Take a seat with the children. Enjoy yourself.
As you see, everything is well that ends well.
I'm afraid this time you are wrong. It's just the beginning. Now we are having a real Christmas party with Santa Claus. Look, even some animals joined us.
A kids party.
Yes, we love her. We'll have a lot of fun.
party was celebrated a year ago without some of you. How sad this is.
And now what? There isn't going to be a party, right?
There is going to be a party. Mrs. Cat is so kind and generous. We will sing and dance.
Come in, my friends. Let's have a party. Let's sing and dance and have fun.
I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric, baby, when I turn it on. All through my city, all through my home. We're flying up, no ceiling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet, and that fever in my body. It drops. Ooh, you take my eyes and flip it. It's so phenomenally. More like the way we rock it. So don't stop it. Under the lights, everything goes. Nowhere to hide when I'm getting too close. When we move, well, you already know. So just imagine. I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. So just dance, dance, dance.
What a wonderful Christmas party we're having today. Thank you for being with us.
Now it's time to wish Merry Christmas to each other.
We wish you a Merry Christmas song.
We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your king. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now bring us a figgy pudding, now bring us a figgy pudding, now bring us a figgy pudding and a cup of good cheer. We want a sugar, we get some. We want a sugar, we get some. We want a sugar, we get some. So bring it right here. So bring us a figgy pudding. So bring us a figgy pudding. So bring us a figgy pudding and a cup of good cheer. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your king. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year.
We would like to invite all the participants to the stage. Все участники, выйти на сцену.
In the frosty air, what a bright time! It's the right time to rock the night away.
time to give presents, yes? Santa Claus, please.